Welcome sa Daddy's Cave Motovlog. On this trip, I'm heading north sa bayan ng Banawe upang bisitahin ang Batad Rice Terraces. It says on Google that it will take 8 to 9 hours ride to reach Banawe. Yan ay kung walang side trip for Instagram at food stops. Kaya I expect to arrive at my destination an hour or two more than expected. I have coffee in my system to keep me going, so I continue on with my journey and enjoy some exciting twisties at malamig na weather. This is my second time na mabibisita ang Batad. Kasama ko ang mga kaibigan ko, narating namin ang Batad on our mountain bike 20 years ago. I remember that I was amazed about the beauty and the feeling I felt with the place nung first time ko siya nakita. Nangako ako sa sarili na babalikan ko siya if ever I get a chance. Ngayon, 20 years later, tumakas ako sa bahay pansamantala upang ma-fulfill ang promise at muling ma-experience ang nakamamanghang likha ng ating mga ninuno 2,000 years ago.